This is oral administration for week 6 reading quiz, Life at the Top. Question number 1. What is the pronunciation key that helps you pronounce the word I-10 located on page 124? Number 2. Using the map on page 124, where is the High Altitude Training Center located? Texas, Australia, Kenya, or New York? Number 3. On page 127, use the text details that support why runners choose to train in places of high altitude. Your body performs differently when you are far above sea level. The water is fresher in the mountains. There is much less traffic for the runners to train. Your body doesn't sweat as much in the cool mountains. Number 4. What is the science behind training at a high altitude? What are the details provided by the author on page 128? Your shoes last longer on the trails. Your body adjusts to less oxygen levels and you can run longer at sea level. Your muscles have less strength in higher altitudes. You will eat fresher food in the mountains. Number 5. Look at the diagram on page 129. What does the diagram explain about how your body reacts when training in higher altitudes? It shows the different body parts that keep you alive. It shows real pictures of the body parts so you know what they look like. It shows a girl running in the forest. It provides drawings of the body parts and how they change when training in high altitudes. Number 6. What does the photograph on page 130 through 131 support about the description of the land in the Great Rift Valley? There is an ocean for the runners to swim in. The land is mostly flat and the weather is mostly mild. The land has many lakes and rivers to help grow food. The land is very dry with very little trees. Number 7. What does the word motivation mean when used in the text? It means being lazy, wanting to help people, a reason to do something, being very afraid to try something new. Number 8. What are explanations for why Kalenjin people have so many great runners? A. Kenya is a poor country and a runner can win money to live on for an entire lifetime. B. The people like to train and run together. C. The people of Kenya value the trait of mental toughness. Or D. All of the above. What does the word drive mean when the author describes the runners of Kalenjin? Always being last, steering a car, the ambition or motivation to carry on, letting someone else do the work. Number 10. Which of the words below does not have a vowel team spelling pattern? Race, training, meal, or speed?